Hi, I am Joshua Dominic Dela Cruz, and I am a BS Math second year student from Norso or Negros Oriental State University. So in this video, I will share to you the best topic that I've learned in Math 204. So, let's start. The first topic that I best learned in Math 204 this semester is the statistical probability or theoretical probability. It is very simple and useful in real life. So, what is classical probability? Classical probability is a simple form of probability that has equal odds of something happening. For example, 1. Rolling a fair die. It is equally likely you would get a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or 6 numbers. Selecting bingo balls. Each numbered ball has an equal chance of being chosen. So, bingo balls have 1 up to 75 numbers. So, each has an equal chance of getting picked. Third, guessing on a test. If you guessed on a multiple choices test with 4 possible answers, A, B, C, and D, each choice has the same odds of being picked, assuming you pick randomly and don't follow a pattern. So, next, let's have the formula for classical probability. So, the probability of a simple event happening is the number of times the event can happen divided by the number of possible events. So, this is the formula for the classical probability. So, in that formula, P of A means probability of event A. Event A is whatever event you are looking for, like winning the lottery, rolling a die. So, that's what P of A means. So, the next is the F. F is the frequency or number of possible times the event could happen. So, next is N. N is the number of times the event could happen. So, let's have an example. Example number 1. You roll a 6-sided die. So, it is a fair die. What is the probability of event A getting a perfect square number? So, solution. Sample space is actually 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So, the event A is what we're looking for. So, event A is getting a perfect square. So, on that 6 number, we only have 2 perfect squares. So, the perfect square is 1 and 4. Plotting a perfect probability of rolling a perfect square is 2 over 6 because we have 2 event and 6 sample space. So 2 over 6 is equals to 0.33 or 33%. So that is the answer for example number 1. Example number 2. You tossed a fair coin. What is the probability of event B getting a tail? So, we are looking for a probability of getting a tail. So, the solution. Sample space is head and tail. Event B is what we're looking for. So, what we're looking for is getting a tail. So, tail. So, next is the probability of tossing a tail is equals to 1 and number of times event could happen is 2 is equals to 0.5 or 50%. And that's all I can share for my best topic that I've learned in Math 204. Thank you!